Did you know that the right leave-in conditioner could completely transform your 4C hair in just one use? It sounds like magic, but it's true. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that so many of you have asked about: finding the absolute best leave-in conditioner for our beautiful 4C coils. If you've ever felt like your hair is a sponge that just soaks up moisture and is dry again in an hour, you are in the right place. For those of us blessed with 4C hair, the journey to finding holy grail products can feel like a never-ending quest. Our coils are stunning, but they're also the most fragile of all hair types. The tight curl pattern makes it difficult for the natural oils from our scalp to travel down the hair shaft, which is why we often struggle with dryness, which then leads to brittleness and, you guessed it, breakage. It's a frustrating cycle. You spend all this time and money on products, only to find your hair feeling crunchy, weighed down, or just as dry as when you started. You see all these influencers with juicy, defined curls, and you're left wondering, what am I doing wrong? The truth is, you're not doing anything wrong, you just might not have found the one yet. The market is flooded with products all claiming to be the miracle cure for dry hair. They have fancy packaging and promise you the world, but when you look at the ingredients, you find drying alcohols, heavy silicones that cause buildup, or formulas that simply sit on top of your hair without actually penetrating the strand. This is the core of the problem. Not all leave-ins are created equal, especially when it comes to the unique needs of 4C hair. We need products that provide intense, lasting moisture, offer great slip for detangling, and help define our coils without leaving them feeling greasy or stiff. So today, I'm putting on my product investigator hat. I've spent weeks researching, testing, and reading hundreds of reviews to cut through the noise. We're going to break down what makes a leave-in conditioner truly effective for 4C hair. We'll look at key ingredients you should be searching for, like water as the first ingredient, natural humectants like aloe vera and glycerin, and sealing oils like jojoba or avocado oil. We'll also talk about what to avoid, like certain sulfates and parabens that can strip our hair of its precious moisture. I've scoured the market and selected a few popular contenders that are constantly talked about in the natural hair community. We'll put them head to head, comparing their consistency, their slip, how they feel on the hair after a few hours, and, of course, the results after a full week of use. Does it play well with other products like gels or creams? Does it cause flaking? Does it actually keep your hair moisturized until your next wash day? These are the questions we'll be answering. I'll show you exactly how I apply each one for maximum absorption and how my hair reacts in real time. We're going to look at a budget-friendly option, a high-end luxury choice, and a few in between, because great hair care should be accessible to everyone, no matter your budget. Now, after testing so many incredible products, there was one that consistently blew me away every single time. It's the one I've found myself reaching for over and over again, the one that has truly earned a permanent spot on my shelf. So, the moment you've all been waiting for, my top recommendation for the best leave-in conditioner for 4C hair is the Miele Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Let me tell you why this product is a game changer. First, the ingredients are a 4C dream. Water is the first ingredient, followed by a powerhouse blend of natural oils and extracts like babassu oil, pomegranate, and honey, which is a fantastic humectant that draws moisture from the air into your hair. The slip on this product is absolutely phenomenal. My fingers glide through my coils with minimal effort, which has drastically cut down on breakage during my detangling sessions. But what truly sets it apart is its ability to provide long-lasting moisture. I can apply this on wash day, and my hair will still feel soft, plump, and hydrated 3, even 4 days later. I remember the first time I used it. I was skeptical, as always. But I applied it to my damp hair, and the definition was immediate. My coils were clumping together beautifully without any gel. A viewer, let's call her Jessica, messaged me saying she was about to give up on her natural hair journey because of constant dryness. I recommended she try this, and a week later, she sent me photos of her hair looking juicier and healthier than ever. She said it was the first time she felt truly confident wearing her natural coils out. That's the kind of transformation we're all looking for. This leave-in doesn't just sit on the hair, it sinks in and nourishes from the inside out, leaving your hair feeling like a cloud. So, to wrap it all up, the key to happy, healthy 4C hair is moisture, moisture, and more moisture. The struggle with dryness and breakage is real, but it's not insurmountable. Finding the right leave-in conditioner, one with water-based, nourishing ingredients and amazing slip, is a critical first step. While we looked at several great options today, the Miele Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner truly stood out for its incredible performance in moisturizing, defining, and providing slip for our delicate coils. Remember, what works for me might be different for you, but understanding the why behind a product's effectiveness is what will empower you to make the best choices for your own hair. Don't be afraid to experiment, and pay close attention to how your hair responds. Now I want to hear from you. What is your holy grail leave-in conditioner? Drop your recommendations in the comments below so we can all learn from each other. If you found this video helpful, please give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future hair care tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.